Garcia, are you still waiting on your appointment order?
I am.
Okay, let me check on that.
Thank you.
And you'll have to take my word for it that I'll sign it, Richard. Okay.
Thank
I know
you.
that's kind of a difficult thing to do, but all right,
Appreciate it.
considering my track record. All right, now let me see. I am looking now for Gruber on my screen. Let me see. Do that. I completed that. And I got Mr. Gruber right here.
Yes, sir.
Pulling up his paperwork. Okay, let's share my screen. Mr. Gruber, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. You see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Ian Gruber?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you the same Ian Gruber who in this cause number 656-496, who is charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Yes, I am, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir, I do.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and your attorney has signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did
Yes,
you
sir.
go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir, thoroughly.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with a prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and motion to destroy the weapon in this case. And the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Garcia?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree with this, Mr. Gruber?
Yes, sir, I do.
And Mr. Gruber, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. As part of this plea, the motion to destroy the weapon is granted. If this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when that'll be, but it should
That
be
is more than
sometime
fine.
today.
That is
All
more-
right?
Sounds
Good
good.
luck to you, sir.
Hey, you have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks for your time.
Take care. Bye-bye.
You as well. Thank
And
you all.
Richard, thanks for helping us out again. All right? Appreciate it. Now we'll sign that motion to appoint you when it finally comes in. All right?
Appreciate it. I'll get
Thank
it to
you.
you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Canales, turn off YouTube.
Turn off YouTube. Boy, that sounded like an eager turn off.